Hello boys, welcome back to my second video on rise and spread of Christianity. In my first video, I have talked about the division of the historical period, the teachings of Jesus Christ, the reasons why Jews hated Jesus, and crucifixion and resurrection. In this video, we are going to discuss about the reasons why Christians were tortured by the Roman government even after 30 years of Jesus' death, the Roman Empire and the spread of Christianity and the decline of the Roman Empire. Boys, now let's learn about the topic why the Christians were persecuted by the Roman government even after 30 years of Jesus' death. The Christians were against the popular Roman sports such as chariot racing and fight between the gladiators and the animals. They even did not participate in the Roman festivals, due to which they were considered by the Romans as unpatriotic and disloyal. Secondly, the Christians refused to worship the Roman emperor as God, which was the common practice of the Roman Empire. Hence, they were burnt alive or thrown into the amphitheater or cages to be eaten up by the wild animals. Thirdly, in 67 AD, the Christians were also held responsible by Nero for the great fire that broke out and destroyed half of Rome. St. Paul was killed and the Christians were tortured. The Christians were continued to be persecuted for 200 years. Many Christian churches were destroyed. Many of them were forced to slavery. They lost government as well as military services. Now boys, our next topic of discussion is the Roman Empire and the spread of Christianity. Galerius Constantine, the emperor of the Eastern Roman Empire, he founded the city Constantinople, and he issued the Edicts of Toleration in 311 AD, which announced that Christianity was to be tolerated throughout the empire. Once, while going to the battlefield, Constantine saw a crucifix. He won the battle and was convinced that Christians are lucky for him and for his empire. After this incident, Constantine issued the Edicts of Milan and declared Christianity as the official religion of the Roman Empire. Constantine laid down the foundation of the Holy Roman Empire, and gradually other religions disappeared. Christianity spread to the whole of Roman Empire and other European countries. Very soon, Christianity became the state religion of the countries like Great Britain, France, Germany, Russia, Portugal, Spain, Switzerland, Netherlands. Decline of the Roman Empire. The reasons for the decline of the Roman Empire are: firstly, the barbarian invasions; secondly, the birth of the Byzantine Empire; and thirdly, the Crusades. Goths, Vandals and Franks, they were the barbaric tribe whose repeated attacks ravaged and plundered Rome. Gradually, they got control of the western part of the Roman Empire. Apart from this, Political and economic crisis also led to the downfall of the Roman Empire. It weakened the central authority, decreased business, and increased poverty. In 395 AD, the Roman Empire was split into Eastern and Western Roman Empire. In 476 AD, the Western Roman Empire collapsed when the Germanic chieftains named Visigoth Odoacer overthrew the ruler of the Western Empire. The Eastern Roman Empire continued for another 1,000 years as Byzantine Empire with Constantinople as its capital. Ultimately, the Byzantine Empire collapsed with the invasion of the Turks in 1453. Next reason was the Crusades, the Holy War. Between 11th and 13th century, 8 military expeditions took place between the Christians and the Muslims as the Turks invaded and captured Jerusalem for the Holy Land of the Christians. Now let's come to the effects of the Crusades. Firstly, while traveling to the Holy Land, the Christians came in contact with the culture of Greeks and Turks. They assimilated the best element of the advanced culture, and thus it led to the revival of the Western education and learning, which ultimately led to the development of Renaissance. Secondly, it led to the direct trade contacts with the other parts of the world. Thirdly, the Crusaders copied the luxurious lifestyle of the East and began to establish trade links with the East to meet the demands of the luxurious items. Thus, it led to the development of the trade. And lastly, the Crusaders learnt the use of guns and gunpowder. It led to the decline of feudalism and helped in increasing the authority of the kings. That's all for today, boys. Let's look at the topic, what we have covered today. Firstly, the reasons why Christians were persecuted by the Roman government even after Jesus' death. Secondly, rise and spread of Christianity by Constantine. And last of all, the decline of the Roman Empire. In my next upcoming video, we are going to learn about monasteries and effects of monasteries in people's life. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.